Make soft and tasty stuffed naan with just a scan in Wi-Fi enabled LG Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select stuffed naan from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. In a bowl, sieve flour, salt, sugar and baking powder. Add butter, curd and baking soda, mix well. Knead and soften the dough, adding milk and water if required. Add melted butter and again knead the dough. Now cover the bowl with a lid and keep it aside in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours to ferment properly. In another bowl, add all the ingredients mentioned for the filling. Mix well and prepare the stuffing for naan. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep the tawa on a low rack inside the microwave and press start. The preheat process begins. Divide the dough into 10 to 11 equal portions of approximately 40 grams each. Roll out a portion and put 2 tablespoons stuffing. Fold from all sides and again make a ball. Sprinkle some maida on it and roll out again to an oblong shape. Brush the top with melted butter and sprinkle onion seeds. When the microwave oven beeps, take out the tawa and keep 2 rolled out naans on the tawa. Keep the tawa inside the microwave oven and press start. Your soft and tasty stuffed naan made with LG Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven is ready to be served hot with curry of your choice. Enjoy! Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan to Cook microwave oven.